Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Perplexity app AI on your mobile phone. So if you're confused about how to actually use Perplexity AI, don't worry, in this video I'll break it down step by step, super simple even if you've never used an AI app before. So by the end, you'll know how to install, search, and get the most out of Perplexity AI, all explained for beginners. So Perplexity AI is like a ChatGPT plus Google combined. It can answer your questions, summarize the web, and explain anything in real time with sources. So first, to use the app, you can just install it first from the App Store or Play Store. Just search for it, Perplexity, and then download it. And once it's downloaded and installed on your phone, you can just click on open, and here is the home screen of Perplexity AI where knowledge begins. So here you can see you can ask anything to the AI without having to sign up. But if you want to sign up first, you can click on this people icon at the top left corner, and then you can sign up or log in with your Google account, email, and also SSO. So in here you can also click on a share button to share a link for the app. And in here, let's see, if you click on this, you'll get the discover menu, and this one is the spaces. You can keep track of your spaces of curiosity and knowledge, so it's like the history, but you need to sign up first. And this one is you can keep track of your threads and spaces of curiosity and knowledge. So let's just ask something simple. For example, I'm going to just ask what is the capital city of Japan. Okay, you can hit on send, and Perplexity AI will answer your questions, as you guys can see in here. And you'll see also the images of the questions that you asked. And there's also the advanced feature. You can ask for follow-up in here, or you can also regenerate it again, and you can also edit the query if you want to. And if you want to attach something, you can just click on the attachment button in here, but you need to sign up to be able to do that. So that's the Perplexity AI made simple. Try it out, it can really save your time every day. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!